With Stella 3.4, we have added the ability to control array slices. This allows you to set values for many elements to be one number, and then a single element can take another value. I'm going to use a very simple tragedy of the commons example here, where we have cows that are held by myself or some other people. And so what I'm doing is, this is a slider. I've chosen cow choice, and I've said this will be for me. And then I've taken a second slider, cow choice, again, but instead of being for me, in this case it will be for everyone, which includes me. Now, when I run this model, if I move my cow choice, I can see I'm getting more cows. Everyone else is actually getting a little bit less milk as a consequence of that, but it's good for me. If, however, other people also start moving to more cows, then I don't get quite as much milk as I would have. And if they move up even more, kind of make this a race to the bottom, so to speak, I now get less milk than I would have with my 2 cows. And at this point, I've actually exhausted the ability of the field, and no one is getting any milk at all. If I have not set the value for the specific element, it will take on the value of the common elements. So they will just follow each other in march step. And you can use the same mechanism in the parameter control panel by selecting a star for something to control or a specific element for something to control. And again, if there's a specific element, it will take precedence over what is controlled using a star.